Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to export messages from Google Messages. Export messages from the Google Messages app isn't directly supported within the app itself. However, there are reliable methods to backup and export your SMS, MMS, and RCS messages using Android's built-in features and trusted third-party apps. So I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide tailored for you. First up is to backup messages using Android's built-in backup to Google Drive. This method ensures your messages are safely stored in your Google account, allowing for easy restoration when setting up a new device. Now, unlock your Android device and hit the Settings app. Go ahead and launch the Settings app represented by a gear icon. Scroll down the settings window, which is this, and click on Google. Within the Google settings, go ahead and tap on backup. So swipe towards the right and head over to backup. Select backup. If it's your first time here, you might need to turn on backup by Google One. So toggle it on. Once you toggle the switch to enable backup, ensure that SMS and MMS messages are selected for backup. Then tap backup now to start the backup process immediately. So wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. RCS messages, also known as chat features, are also backed up if you're using Google Messages and have chat features enabled. Step 2 is to export messages using SMS Backup and Restore app. So for more control over your backups, you can, including scheduling and choosing backup destinations, you can use the SMS Backup and Restore app. I'm just going to walk you through the process. Open the Google Play Store, search for SMS Backup and Restore. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. Open the SMS Backup and Restore app. Tap on Get Started. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. Tap on Set up a backup. Choose what you want to backup, messages, phone calls, or both. Tap Next. Choose where to store your backup, either Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Sign into your chosen account and grant the necessary permissions. Tap Next. Set how often you want the app to back up your data. Tap Backup now to initiate the first backup. This allows you to transfer backups to another device, making it easier when switching phones. Likewise, you can transport messages to your computer using Droid Transfer. Ensure that your backups are up to date, especially before switching devices or performing a factory reset. Keep an eye on your Google Drive storage quota to ensure backups can be saved without issues. Always use secure networks when backing up or restoring data to protect your personal information. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.